is the world is the stage is the world of entertainment. Thank you.
One of the present over here.
My name is Sundram.
And my name is Darshit.
From class 9. Today we are going to tell the scripture and its meaning.
The scripture is Yadi Santi Purana Usama Viksanjivah Te Swayameva Nahi Kasturi Kamoda Sabhatim Vibhavayatah.
The meaning of the scripture is if a person possesses virtues, he naturally develops himself, like musk. Wherever he resides, he spreads his own fragrance without the need for any test. Therefore, knowledgeable individuals are inherently centers of joy and contentment.
Thank you.
Myself, Clarence Devash, and today's news headlines is as follows. Tribal boost to BJP won the states of MP, Rajasthan, and Chhattisgarh. Congress won in Telangana. 97.26% of 2000 votes were returned to the banking system. BJP to retain all 7 Rajya Sabha seats next year. Congress will gain 2. Union Election Minister Dharmendra Pradhan unveiled statue of Lakshmananda Saraswati. Cyclone with Chow Cracker live. Heavy rain warning issued for Tamil Nadu Puducherry. Internet ban lifted in violence hit Manipur. Restrictions in border areas till December 18. Agra-based pharmaceutical firm raided over its fake injections sold in Mumbai.
Good morning, myself Adhiraj, and today's sports news headlines are Shreyas Iyer back in test squad, no place for Ajit Rahane and Kshitij Pujara. Rahul Dravid says haven't yet signed a contract, had discussion on tenure with BCCI. Matt Collum will receive David Robinson Trophy and NBA will donate $10,000 to Louisiana Center for Children's Lab. State Hockey Academy strives gold in first Indian hockey, junior and sub-junior men. AIFF and FIFA Academy will help India to achieve its goals, says Arsene Wenger. FIFA 2030 World Cup to be hosted by Morocco, Spain, Portugal and South America. The NBA is back and expanding its global reach. Thank you everyone. A very pleasant good morning to one and all present over here. Today I shall
and I, Manisha, are over here on the behalf of 9K to present today's morning assembly on the topic reminiscence of entertainment.
Entertainment has many phases in India. Radio played a major role in it. It got popular in India during early 1920 from Bombay Presidency Club. The first spokesperson from All India Radio was Leon Filton.
Now, to elaborate more on this topic, I would like to invite our dear friend Utkarsh on the stage. Utkarsh, please.
Very hearty good morning, all of you present over here. Today I am going to tell you the importance of radio. In the early 20th century, the radio emerged as a revolutionary invention. It was discovered by a German inventor Heinrich Hertz in the late 1800s. Further, G. Markov, also known as father of the radio, made practical and usable radio sets based on the Hertz discovery. The radio became the heartbeat of everyone by connecting people over vast distances. Families used to gather around it for news, entertainment, and also shared sense of togetherness. It was also used in challenging times like wars and crises, fostering a sense of unity. As we navigate the 21st century, the relevance of the radio endures. In an era dominated by visual stimuli, the simplicity of radio remains its strength. It caters to our imagination, allowing us to create mental images from the voices and the sounds transmitted. Furthermore, the accessibility of radio makes it a powerful tool, reaching remote areas and providing a lifeline of information. In the mid-20th century, the television burst onto the scene, bringing moving images and sounds into our rooms. The cathode ray tube marked a new era in entertainment. The visual appeal of television drew audiences away from the traditional radio, leading to a decline in listenership during the mid-20th century. In conclusion, whether we tune into the radio for a dose of nostalgia or engage with the visual spectacle of television, let us appreciate the profound influence of these mediums have had our collective human experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Utkarsh, for informing and glorifying so much about it.
Doordarshan, also known as DD National, began as a part of All India Radio. It dominated India's population during the late 80s and 90s, when television was considered as a luxury and people of the same neighborhood used to gather together and enjoy legends like Mahabharata, Ramayana and Bunyan, etc. Now to take you back to those days of contentment, we would like to present a glance of the Ramayana by Raman and Sagar in front of you all.
would like to call our friends to come on the stage for Chitra.
Thank you. performances given by class 9A students. They're remarkable. Though the music part was giving little difficulty, but still it was managed very well. And the way the children have acted and danced was something very appreciable. It really took us back into the memory lane, into 80s and 90s of Doordarshan. Congratulations to the toppers of the previous session for being felicitated today. There are many more prizes lined up, which will be given away in the days to come, in the morning assemblies that we are going to attend. And children, this week itself we are lining up a session where mental well-being will be taken up for classes 10. That will be for three consecutive days. Sessions will be for an hour and a half. The venue will be school library. We are trying to give you the best that can come our way. While watching today's assembly about the Doordarshan days of the past, I was reminded of how things were laid down to us. They were all fixed times. We could watch Chitrahar on fixed days. I think it was on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Fridays, yes. Wednesdays and Fridays, fixed time, 8 o'clock. There was a movie shown to us on Sundays. The serials, Ramayana and Mahabharata were also shown on a fixed time. News used to be there at 8:40 in the evening time, 8:40 p.m. till 9. And 9 to 5 we used to have advertisements, and 9:05 p.m. onwards we used to have a serial. So everything was fixed for us. We were bounded to the TV if we wanted to watch those programs. Now, everything is available at the press of a button. Everything is available, we say, the press of our fingers, tips of our fingers. People were so much awed with these programs like Chitrahar. People used to sit in the drawing rooms and watch, and the robbers used to fix this time for stealing. लोग चित्रहार देखते थे और घरों में चोरियां भी इसी वक्त में होती थी। इतने लोग बन जाते थे। और आज जब हमारे पास सब कुछ है, हर वक्त है, तो क्या हमें हर वक्त टीवी देखना चाहिए? अगर हमें गाने अच्छे लगते हैं तो क्या हर वक्त देखना चाहिए? Definitely no. If we love movies, it's not that every day we should watch movies. We need to empower ourselves. आज जो हमें सब कुछ हर वक्त available है, we have been empowered. Empowered in what way? Now we have the freedom to watch it as per our conveniences. And how much and what we should watch, that we need to decide. वीडियो गेम्स खेलनी है तो कितनी देर खेलनी है, ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा दिन उसी में लगे रहे. Video games, it helps us to develop our skills, mental ability, but when you play it in a limited way, अगर आप पूरा दिन, पूरा वीक, पूरा मंथ खेलते रहोगे, पूरा साल खेलते रहोगे, तो आपका रिजल्ट अच्छा होगा, बुरा होगा? बुरा होगा, सब आपको पता है, बताने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. You all are aware. You all have the power of intelligence. What we do from this morning stage, what your teachers tell you inside the classes, is only we are guiding you, we are reminding you. At times few of you come and say, sir मेरे से ऐसा नहीं होता, वैसा नहीं होता, मैं कैसे करूं? उसका आंसर यही है, आपके पास में पावर है, उस पावर को यूज करो. आपके लिए क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा है, ये आपकी इंटेलिजेंस आपको बता देती है. अब अपने इंटेलिजेंस को, अपने कॉन्शियंस को अपने विवेक को, अपने अंदर की बुद्धि को सुनो, वो अभी कभी भी आपको मिसगाइड नहीं करेगी, और क्या अच्छा है आपके लिए चुनो और आगे बढ़ो। So I think from today's morning assembly, I could correlate it and share these thoughts with you that how we can empower ourselves during these days when everything is available all the time. So decide what you want, where you want to spend your time, from where you are going to gain, and spend your time and see how success will come to you automatically.